Jungli mutton, guys. This is a Rajasthani speciality. Enjoy it with nice garma garam lassi.
Cholas. Oil-free, very healthy cholas. We put a little onion, tomato, cucumber, some chaat masala and some green chili.
This is amazing.
We have some shami kebabs here and some paneer. You know, insects are great for protein. The folic acid in ants is actually very, very healthy.
ऐसे ही अगर चींटी चल रही होती है तो आप उठाकर सीधा
I would highly recommend that.
This Sunday, I'm not cooking, I'm not ordering it. मैं crash कर रही हूँ The Boys Club.
You are gonna get maximum comments on this question. Have more or gulati? Which butter chicken is better?
Shalimar Bagh में the chawla also.
The mutton in Patiala.
छोले भटूरे.
अमृतसरी कुलचा हमारे होटल के सामने था ना.
क्या था नाम? कुलचा लैंड.
कुलचा लैंड.
Kulcha land.
Guys, this is like a guide to exploring food in north of India. So never have I ever 2 दिन तक सेम कपड़े पहने बिना नहाए.
Only 2 days.
ये पूरा खिला दो मुझे यार.
उनकी की शादी अभी हुई है, कितने साल हो गए? 2 साल.
2 साल में अभी तक हनीमून पे नहीं गया हूँ.
Never have I ever been caught lying by my wife.
Oh, every day. Shit, sorry, ये भी तो देखेगी. My house, men are more dramatic than women.
In life in general, don't you think?
No, a strong no.
When I said मुझे एक्टर बनना है, वो मेरे पीछे चप्पल लेके भागे.
There's this one incident which is very close to my heart when first time me and my father we shared a drink.
What are your thoughts on relationships?
हाँ मतलब
अरे भाइयों सुनो, तुम देख रहे हो करली टेल्स. हाँ, यो लड़की ने तुम जानो, ये है काम्या जानी. यो करे है बहुत बढ़िया खाने पीने की बातें.
So on this episode of Sunday Brunch presented by Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, let's find out क्या पक रहा है, क्या जल रहा है और कौन impress करेगा. Let's go. Three boys, one room, no supervision. ये संडे ब्रंच होने वाला है या कोई क्राइम सीन?
As long as not a boxing match in my house, it's fine.
आप डायरेक्टर हैं, आप कभी भी प्लॉट ट्विस्ट कर सकते हैं. बट आप दोनों को पहले एक्सेस मिला था इस घर में, आप पहली बार आ रहे हैं या आ चुके हैं यहाँ पर?
यही है मेरा कास्टिंग काउच.
बट करण, योर हाउस इज सो eclectic, aesthetic. आपको देखकर लगता नहीं आपने मिर्जापुर जैसी इतनी वायलेंट सीरीज बनाई होगी?
What were you expecting? Blood spatter? I would have put it also, but half the people think it's like some pan stain or something.
यहाँ पे कट्टा, इधर तलवार, यही सब.
Pan stain.
Which one is your favorite out of all the collectibles you have?
Star Wars stuff, so I guess that's my favorite genre of collectibles.
But I really love the 2001 Space Odyssey.
Yeah, one of our
It's
favorite films.
it's just
Growing up.
amazing. Rashomon again, classic. Beautiful these pieces are.
और दिव्येंदु की आपके साथ दोस्ती मिर्जापुर डेज से है आपकी.
बिल्कुल, हाँ.
जी.
We have 2 Delhi boys here. But Karan has been making notes. वो दिल्ली गए, उन्होंने मुझे भी बताया, हर जगह से बटर चिकन ट्राई किया है. And he's going to host an awards and declare who serves the best butter chicken in Delhi. और मुंबई में भी है, आपने किया ये trial error?
Butter chicken in Mumbai?
No.
Yeah.
I honestly don't even try.
But Mumbai, you should try Bawri.
For butter chicken?
I think all the finalists are in Pandara Road. Okay.
Okay, all finalists are in Pandara.
So the event ceremony is there only. Butter chicken mein it's going to be a Havmor versus Gulatis.
Gulati, yeah.
Yeah.
And at the end of the day, Gulatis has won out.
You are gonna get maximum comments on this question. Have more or gulati? Which butter chicken is better?
Yeah, that's a we can put that to the test.
Oh, no.
Guys, don't get angry. Don't get like too worked up.
I know, but there are like 2 teams in this universe, Team Gulati and Team Havmor.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Where I come from, every area has one master chef, Michelin starred person who's making all these kick-ass things. हमारे घर के पास there used to be a cinema hall Amba. Okay, single screen. उसके बाहर एक दरवेश होता था. Past that guy used to make food like I can't tell you. तो कभी ऐसा होता नहीं था कि हमें कहीं और खाने जाना है. एंड दैट आई थिंक इज द बिगेस्ट टेस्ट ऑफ एनी सिटी व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट फूड, वेयर यू डोंट हैव टू ट्रैवल 20 किलोमीटर्स टू हैव अ गुड मील.
और दिल्ली में ये बेस्ट होता है, आप अपना आटा गूंद के भेज दो ढाबे पे, वो तंदूरी रोटी फ्रेश बना के आपको वापस भेजेंगे.
Really? ये भी
हमारे
concept है?
हमारे बचपन में होता था ये.
ओके, नेक्स्ट टाइम करण मुंबई
और
से
दिल्ली में-
आटा लेकर जाएंगे.
और मैं बताऊं
और all you know.
और दिल्ली में क्या है, बटर चिकन क्योंकि हम बात कर रहे हैं, दिल्ली में आप गलती से भी कभी फुल बटर चिकन मत ऑर्डर करना.
of course.
Oh my
वो
God.
इतना आता है कि शायद 10 लोग खाएंगे, 7 से 8 लोग तो खाएंगे. देन देयर इज हाफ एंड देन देयर इज अ क्वार्टर.
जो क्वार्टर होगा वो मुंबई का फुल होगा, राइट?
उसके आसपास, उसके
Plus
आसपास.
it
yeah.
will have bones in Delhi. Plus it will not be sweet like it is in Mumbai.
Yeah.
So these are basics of butter chicken.
और वो कलर नहीं आएगा
हाँ,
खाने के
वो-
बाद, जिससे आप जब पुलिस आएगी तो अरेस्ट हो सकते हो. तुम बटर चिकन बनाकर खा रहे हो with the color. No.
मेरे लिए बेस्ट बटर चिकन होगा, एक्चुअली इट्स अ फाइट ओनली, बट आई वुड से आई वुड गो विद हैव मोर.
ओह,
यार
This
but
is
ये
a- this
शालीमार बाग में दैट चावला आल्सो.
चावला इज, यस, देयर इज पिकविक इज वेरी गुड. अभी ये बता रहे जितने भी छोटे छोटे भी हैं वो भी धुरंधर है वहाँ पे. देयर इज पिकविक बटर चिकन, ओ माय गॉड, आउटस्टैंडिंग. ऑल हेवन से भी ले लो, अमेजिंग. यू गो टू राजेंद्र's ढाबा, माइंड
Ah, again.
Rajendra's, of
यू
course.
गो टू करीम्स. मैं बोल रहा हूँ, प्लीज.
आप तीनों में सबसे बड़ा फूडी कौन है?
That's a tricky one, but I'm gonna just hand it over to Pulkit for doing so well during shoot.
हाँ.
Pulkit क्या करते थे हमारे लिए? We used to get a recce done by Karmanya, who was more free than us on set. So he used to go and try out all the places. Butter chicken यहाँ से ये, and we were shooting in Punjab, right? In Patiala, in Amritsar, and there are some amazing places there. You know, our co-creator, co-writer would go there. He would experiment. He would bring back a list, and then Pulkit would make sure that for lunch next day, the best stuff from all these places are put together and laid out, and then he would send us all a menu.
Yeah,
that
he would make a
design.
menu. Yes.
And he would design
That's
a menu
impressive.
and send it to us while we are shooting, and suddenly one menu comes. ये आ रहा है यहाँ से, ये यहाँ से.
यहाँ से.
So we had a really like good time, and in terms of the foodie aspect of it, and shooting in Punjab in the winters is the
Oh my
best
God.
feeling, and you just are hungry all the time.
And the mutton in Patiala,
Yes, Kohli's Dhaba,
Kohli's
Kamal.
Dhaba,
Something
outstanding, outstanding.
and फिर वो
लस्सी.
गोपाल से
गोपाल से रस
छोले
मलाई
छोले
and छोले
भटूरे.
भटूरे
छोले भटूरे.
and
Yeah.
दही पापड़ी चाट.
और फिर एक we found one place on the road, literal like roadside, and we have some foreign crew, our DOP is from the US, John Schmidt. It was 20 rupees a plate, and it was obviously not the cleanest, but he's like, I don't care, I am going to have this. I am going there for post backup to
We had
eat
a
over
bun
there.
tikki, right?
हाँ,
Bun tikki in
bun tikki
Amritsar.
was very nice, yeah.
What a concept it is, यार.
Lassi was very good.
Oh, every
बॉक्सिंग
lassi.
कर रहे हो, so quite ripped.
पता है बॉक्सिंग में अभी जो मैंने अभी फाइट करी उसमें सिर्फ 3 राउंड थे. 2 मिनट के 3 राउंड, यानी 6 मिनट की फाइट. वो 6 मिनट में आई बर्न ऑलमोस्ट लाइक मोर देन 800 कैलोरीज
Which is insane.
in 6 minutes.
So bhatura is gonna evaporate.
Yes. अमृतसरी कुलचा लास्ट डे सीधा मंगाया सामने
क्या
हमारे
था?
होटल के सामने
हाँ,
था ना,
क्या था नाम?
कुलचा लैंड.
कुलचा
It's
land.
the
yeah.
best
From
kulcha
Kulcha
in
land.
the country.
Also the fish there.
Not
Amritsar.
there, in Amritsar.
Amritsar.
Of course.
Guys, this is like a guide to exploring food in north of India. सोचो अगर मैं ना हूँ, invisible हूँ, तो आप लोग क्या बातें
आप
करोगे?
यहाँ नहीं थी जब हम खाने के बारे में
खाने
खाने के बारे में ही बात कर रहे थे हम, और कुछ नहीं है हमारे लाइफ में.
Really?
We especially us actually do this. Like he was telling us एक new burger place.
हाँ.
I would say something, he would say something. कहीं से sugar free मिठाई है.
And you know
वो
what I
cake
saw?
serve करना.
I saw him taking notes, which is what I would also do.
So I marked it
आज
immediately.
वापस जाके यही बर्गर खाना है.
Yeah, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
We take it very seriously.
हाँ.
Like we trust each other. His research, I trust him. His research, I trust him.
And his research we trust him. हमारी कोशिश ये रहती है कि हमें जैसे we are very fond of food and we are very fond of desserts as well. So we try to have dessert which has monk fruit in it. We try to have food which is majorly gluten free. या फिर उसमें
Yeah.
complex carbs आ रहे हैं. तो अगर हम बटर चिकन मंगा रहे हैं करीम से या हम मंगा रहे हैं पटियाला में कहीं से, उसके साथ में हम मिस्सी रोटी खाएंगे जो पूरी बेसन से बनी हुई है. सो वी आर नॉट हैविंग आटा आउट ऑफ इट.
Correct.
दैट्स हाउ वी आर बैलेंसिंग एवरीथिंग. बट अब मजा हर चीज
And quantity also.
क्वांटिटी.
I mean, if you wanna enjoy your food
हर
for
चीज
long,
बुफे में से
थोड़ा
सब
खाना.
little bit, yeah.
Don't go mad about it, you know.
Who is the most observant आप तीनों में?
I mean, it's literally part of my job.
be
So
him.
I think
yeah,
Third
Karan
would be him.
has that
Second
thing.
would be him.
Not you as much.
Not me as much. मैं खुद पे ही ध्यान रखता हूँ.
he wants everyone to observe him.
Yeah. Just keep observing me.
We are going to play a fun game. मैंने आपके Instagram से कुछ images लिए हैं.
Oh.
Okay. Photo assist use करके on my Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, I have changed and tweaked a few things. So you've got to tell me what is it that I have changed.
Oh, nice.
Lovely.
So ready?
ये same phone तो मैं भी use करता हूँ.
Really?
Yes.
So first, Devendu, I have this picture of you. Tell me what is missing.
Oh yeah, the gorilla.
Correct.
Wow. That wasn't very tough also. I mean, you're very kind.
We'll make it more tough now. So this is the picture.
He had a
Okay.
gorilla with us.
And he had a
Oh!
gorilla with this. This also won't be very hard for you to guess. Tell me what's missing.
Food.
Yeah. Sure.
I was going to say clothes.
I was inside a swimming pool and there was a lot of food on it.
Wow. Damn neat, man.
Floating breakfast. Is that something that you enjoy?
It was given complimentary.
इस पिक्चर में पुलकित आप एक्चुअली क्या खिला रहे थे?
इसमें I was having hot dog, I think so. यहाँ पे वड़ा पाव है. This is the first time I ever went to watch a Manchester Arsenal का match live. Obviously वहाँ वड़ा पाव कहाँ से आया? It clicked me immediately.
इस पिक्चर में क्या मिसिंग है और क्या स्टोरी है?
वो अरे ये तो सब बता देंगे. Guys, come on, tell me.
Yeah. Cake.
Yes.
Must be your
Correct.
rap.
ये हमारा रैप था.
Which
This was the rap.
one? This is for
Glory.
Glory?
Yeah.
अच्छा इसमें मैं पानी पूरी नाइफ से काट रहा हूँ.
तो इससे आपको ये पता चलता है कि टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज भी अच्छे से करना है. You know?
Okay, Karan, ये पिक्चर कहाँ क्लिक की गया है?
Oh yeah, this is the wrong European country.
The
because
wrong European country. Okay, where did you go?
This was Greece, so we were wearing Greek colors, and this is my wife Anuradha and me on a boat, which
Is white
my
the same in
second
picture?
home. Yeah, that was the first thing I checked. Everything else was blurry.
But very, very nicely done again.
It's the phone.
I know.
What about this one, Karan?
Good one. It's the right country, but wrong setting. What country is it? Okay, come on.
This is Japan.
Yes.
Yeah.
With that Torii gate at the back.
Yeah, correct.
So this is this is us in a subway train, which is completely empty.
Wow. This is a train ka picture.
Dude, this is very neatly
Yes.
done.
mind blowing.
So this is the original picture.
I think this is the best.
Pretty cool, right? The photo
damn
assist.
neat.
Karan, do you use
Damn,
AI now in terms of your edits and filmmaking?
I use AI like an assistant, but not for actual anything creative.
Assistant
Okay.
with intelligence.
Yes, it
AI.
makes me faster, so I can
Yes.
multitask and do more things.
But is it also
with my
scary?
time. It is super scary. Literally, I met a bunch of guys come down from Netflix headquarters, and I said, oh, you know, who were doing AI things, and I said, okay, guys, how long do I have? But see, we gotta adapt as filmmakers. I think we're still. I don't think AI is ready to tell stories in an original manner that we are. I don't think it can go and write the second season of Glory, for example. But can it help me get there faster and have a quicker, so that viewers can see it sooner? Yeah. Sure, it can.
But for actors, I don't think their job is replaceable at all.
No, Baba. It's
No.
very easily. Yeah, it's scary.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
It's still. I
Because
mean,
the
we're
clones
still
are
at a
very-
very nascent stage, but still people are doing so much. It's so realistically done.
But what about cooking? वो तो AI से नहीं होगा ना?
नहीं होगा.
उसमें नहीं
Isn't
होगा.
there like
हो सकता
AI
है, दोस्त
cookers
maker
and all are
वगैरह
available?
आती
You
हैं.
just put the ingredients and it gives you something. So it's already happening.
Yeah.
3D
People are
3D
printing
printing,
also.
yeah.
Yeah.
They are 3D printing.
So I think food is actually pretty replaceable.
Yes.
It's the consuming of food I think is not replaceable. It's
हाँ,
like
but yeah, it
coming-
can't replace dal chawal.
Yeah.
And छोले भटूरे
Yes.
जो आपके
Yes.
घर से आए हैं. आज आप लोग क्या क्या लाए हैं? अब तो भूख लगी है. So
This is
tell me
the-
what all is there.
Thanks for
Good
coming
stuff.
to food, man.
You
मैं
hungry?
सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया सोच के अभी लंच करेंगे हम.
So I think we
Sunday
should just start seeing what it is rather than talking
Yeah.
about it. Should
Okay.
we bring it
Chalo.
out?
Yes, let's
let's
begin
go
the
bring it
Sunday
out.
brunch.
Let's attack.
Cholas. Oil free, very healthy cholas.
We have some shami kebabs here and some paneer.
Jungly mutton, guys. This is a Rajasthani speciality.
To begin with, I think there's some, we can indulge in some watermelon feta salad.
Brother, ladies and gentlemen, bringing you Moradabadi dal with some Indrani rice.
So I don't know Kamya at all. This is the first time I'm meeting her, but I have a suspicion that she's gonna like the salad, but she's also gonna love the mutton. So it's just gonna be both ends.
I feel she's gonna love the Moradabadi dal with the Indrani rice. I don't think she's tried it before.
काम्या ने मुझे एक्चुअली फोन करके कल ही बोल दिया था कि अपने को छोले जरूर लेके आना, तो उसको ये ऑलरेडी बहुत पसंद है, तो लेट्स नॉट गेट इनटू इट, शी क्लियरली लव्स दैट फूड। आइए, तो मैं एक छोला ये आपको बना के दिखाता हूँ, ये थोड़ा दिल्ली स्टाइल में हम कैसे बनाते हैं इसे।
घी ऑयल कुछ दिख नहीं रहा।
जी वो इसमें है भी नहीं, ये काफ़ी हेल्दी किस्म की रेसिपी है, इसे आप एकदम आराम से खा सकते हैं। मेड बाय माय वाइफ आकांक्षा। थोड़ा सा प्याज आता है इसमें। दिस इज द क्लासिक छोला कुलचाज। देयर इज ऑल्सो मटर कुलचाज ऑल्सो मिलता है, वो भी एक इसका वेरिएशन है। थोड़ा टमाटर उसके पीछे।
I can see the boys getting restless. कि दिव्येंदु अपना
Boys-
जो मास्टर शेफ कर रहा है वो कब खत्म होगा।
हाथ रोक रखे।
Method to madness,
Wow.
guys.
That looks very nice.
Come on, brother.
तो
My God.
ये है, and now we can proceed.
छोले कुलचे आपको इतने पसंद है कि आपने हेल्दी वर्जन इसका ढूंढ ही लिया।
हाँ,
इसकी
बहुत
रेसिपी।
बहुत पसंद है मुझे खाने छोले कुलचे। इतना डिटेल में मैं नहीं गया, यू मस्ट ट्राई थोड़ा सा कुलचा विद दिस।
Wow, this is so good.
Wow.
Absolutely simple and yet so delicious.
दिस इज इमली का चटनी एंड दैट्स योर आर रेगुलर जो घर पे धनिया पुदीना का
धनिया
ग्रीन
पुदीना
चटनी होता है। थैंक यू आकांक्षा।
ये चटनी भी घर पे बनाई?
Yes, thank you very
Wow,
much
man.
आकांक्षा, बहुत ही अच्छा बना है यार, love it.
दिस इज वाव।
करण और दिव्येंदु ने मेरी एक्सपेक्टेशंस बहुत हाई कर ली है from you.
You are in for good food.
Yes.
And the beginning is like fab. अभी next किस पे जाए बताओ? Yeah, kebabs and salads. Then let's go to main things.
Okay guys, we're gonna do some kebabs and some salad.
So all of you all know cooking.
I mean a bit like yeah, I'm not very deep into it but yes,
Okay.
अगर हम तीनों जंगल में घूम जाए तो हम सर्वाइव कर लेंगे।
आराम से।
और वो भी स्टाइल में।
Let's start with watermelon feta salad.
It's very good, by the way. Is this your recipe?
No, it's my wife, of course, Anuradha, who's
Okay. I must thank
together.
all the wives today जिन्होंने इतनी अच्छी कुकिंग की है. They're not a part of the brunch, but we feel you here.
A's get A's, Anuradha Akanksha.
This is
Yes.
actually my favorite salad.
नाचनी रोटी.
Let's get to kebabs.
What kebab is this, Pulkit?
This is mutton shami kebab.
Is this one of your favorites? आपके घर पर ये बनता है?
It
Is this
is.
your recipe? Priti's recipe?
This is actually something that both of us love.
Oh,
Because
I saw that. Master Chef.
Beauty.
So much perfection. मुझे बताओ, if all three of you were staying in a bachelor's pad together, who do you think would be the best cook between the three of you?
I think we have seen enough of each other's cooking yet,
Yeah.
but I think there would be a sense of competition and we would be trying to outdo each other.
I think we'll become fond of each other's cooking only. कि भाई आज तू ये बना, आज मैं ये बनाता हूँ, आज हम ये बनाएंगे. This is gonna be the conversation.
I think मेरा modus operandi यही होगा कि भाई तुम तो बहुत अच्छा खाना बनाते हो,
तुम ही बनाओ.
आज तुम्हारे हाथ का वो हो जाए। फिर मुझे लगता है कुछ दिनों बाद जब ये लोग पकड़ लेंगे इस बात को तो मेरी बारी आएगी।
Who do you think would be the messy one? No, don't be very nice to each other.
Messy one. I just dropped the chutney.
All these kebabs are outstanding.
Yeah, the kebabs are so good.
This is made without onion garlic.
I know.
You don't like pyaz and tomato, kacha.
Matlab I don't, it doesn't suit me actually. It's not
Oh,
like I
okay.
don't like it.
Right, but it's really good. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
melts in your mouth.
On to the next one.
Let's do paneer.
Paneer and dal together.
This is done at your place, na?
This
and dal.
paneer is from here.
This paneer is amazing.
With
It's
aloo
so
too.
nice.
Good quality paneer also. वो नकली वाला पनीर नहीं है, आजकल synthetic वाला मिलता है.
Which roti
That
is
is
it?
missi roti. A little crispy because it has zero atta. Normally it's mixed with the atta and besan. I personally prefer only besan when I'm on a strict diet.
Some handy tips, guys. I love missi roti.
Take it from the middle.
The paneer is so
paneer is
good now.
smoked.
You know, charcoal
Awesome.
tool, I think.
So this is smoked paneer.
Wow.
I think ये credit अनुराधा को ही जाता है
Bilkul,
again
bilkul.
of paneer.
And you know the butter chicken she makes is sort of in this gravy.
Correct.
It's
Correct.
crazy, really.
Yeah.
The best butter chicken in Bombay is actually right here.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Anuradha,
So in
thank
Delhi,
you. Your paneer is just
yeah, Anuradha, it's amazing. What is the weirdest thing that you guys have eaten till date?
Oh, nice question.
This guy will tell you.
Yeah.
Weirdest will come from him.
So I love escargot and butter garlic steams on a fine Parisian version. But you go to Vietnam, they serve it live. They're moving and they bring a hot bath, right? Like a bowl of hot water, and you're supposed to take it, dip it in for a bit, and then you're supposed to just suck the whole thing out of the shell. Surprisingly, they come out very easily. You wouldn't imagine that. But when you bite into them, and this is without any salt or anything of that sort, okay? So then you just, maybe the water is a bit salty perhaps. And then you bite into them, this black
oh man.
ooze sort of comes out.
You asked for it.
That's literally probably the only thing I've not been able to have it. And I tried
You couldn't have it.
I tried 6 of them and I was like, no, I can't. It's not going in. So yeah.
So you attempted 6 times or you ate 6 times?
No, I attempted it 6 times.
Well, it's not just shocking for me that he couldn't have it. It was shocking for him also. That's why he tried 6 times. अब तो मैं शायद खा के देखूंगा. I need to experience this.
But वैसे आप काफी experimental हो. आप
I
खा सकते हो
love
ये सब.
experimenting with food and I will eat anything as long as they're not endangered species in any manner. That's where I draw the line.
मैंने एक बार एक इंसेक्ट खाया था फॉर अ बेट. वी वर इन गोवा बैक इन द डेज व्हेन आई वाज अ स्टूडेंट. हम एक किसी शैक पे थे और वहाँ पे कीड़ा आ गया ऐसे उड़ के एक, और शर्त लगी कि कौन से खा सकता है, you know, $1,000 for him. So
That's easy.
So I did
mean,
that.
You know, insects are great for protein, and I think fried grasshoppers when they're like mixed with some chaat masala, they are outstanding. And you can just have them as chips, and they're actually like healthy version of chips. And I would highly recommend that to everyone.
हाँ, that's easy. ये तो मैं खाता रहता हूँ.
No, so even if I find an ant in my drink or a few ants, you know, sometimes it's okay. I think the folic acid in ants is actually very, very healthy for you. You should just have them.
Pure
क्या बात,
protein.
मतलब ऐसे अगर चींटी चल रही होती है तो आप उठाकर सीधा.
It's a delicacy in most places, like
It
you
is.
know,
It is.
in Latin
Africa.
America. Latin America is all about like you have gourmet food with ants on it. So it's there's no real taste to it, right? But it's also very healthy.
Guys, should we attack mutton?
Yeah, I think so.
This is called जंगली मटन. ये राजस्थान की स्पेशलिटी है.
उससे पहले थोड़ा मटन से पहले बहन इंद्रानी को थोड़ा ले लेना चाहिए.
इंद्रानी. But you'll enjoy this more with roti.
खूबसूरत. हाँ दे रहा हूँ गाइस, दे रहा हूँ. मटन और चावल मैं हाथ से खाता हूँ गाइस, तो प्लीज डोंट एक्सपेक्ट मी टू.
हाथ से ही खाने चाहिए ब्रो. मजा ही वैसे खाने का है.
रानी राइस की जो खुशबू होती है ना, I love it.
सुभान अल्लाह.
Ranthambore is when I had it for the first time. I just fell in love with it. It was a local delicacy. Then I checked out Ranveer Barar
Okay.
to figure out a good recipe. Then I shared it with my chef. He just made better. So I'm like, wow, sorted.
So November-ish. Yeah, I was shooting in Rajasthan and I can't take spices at all. और ये चीज बन के आया सामने. And I was like, मैं नहीं खा सकता. Then I got to know कि ये जो मिर्च है इसमें, it's a special kind of a mirch. And the whole prep is of desi ghee. So as you can see, I'm loving it. This is not spicy at all.
This is not
It's
spicy.
got
Yeah.
desi ghee and butter.
The series Glory
Yes.
is all about, from what I could see from the trailer, is about relationship between father and sons.
I think for me the primary thing is like, you know, it is a family story. Families are the core of, I think, the most universal emotion that we have in India, especially, and Indian viewers. It's something that we connect to a lot and relate to a lot. And I feel in that to explore dynamics that are not often spoken about, like an uncomfortable relationship with your father. A lot of sons have that. I would say most of them would have it. But, you know, no one really talks about it so much. So in a lot of my work, this theme is constantly, you know, and even the last show that I did with Netflix, Nana Naidu had a similar thing.
Yeah.
This one too has that discomfort between the sons and the father. But also over here, the brothers also meeting after a long time. And in casting this, it was very important to capture that nuance that they have to look like a family, which I think just sitting here and seeing them enjoying the mutton that they are, just that image is there right in front of you. And, you know, to be able to get along well, I think all of that came into consideration when you're casting for something like this.
So if I may dive deep into your relationships with your fathers,
Yeah.
how has it been?
My father was pretty supportive. of the whole thing. In life, I mean, I have a very formal sort of a relation with my father, but he's someone who really supported the dream.
बट आपको भी वक्त लग गया था काम मिलते मिलते, राइट?
Because I've been so consistent in, you know, doing theater and, you know, going to a film school and everything. So, उनको था कि ये करेगा तो यही. And from day one, I always maintained this thing that don't expect any returns, so to say, that I'm gonna one day become very famous or this thing. I do this for myself because I like doing this. So I'm not running after a trophy or a particular kind of actor or a star or whatever.
My parents were expecting me. I'm the first child in the entire family, and we are a joint family with at least 14-15 people staying together. So when they were expecting me, so my dad said, he told my mom, लड़का हुआ तो धर्मेंद्र बनेंगे. And ironically, when I said मुझे एक्टर बनना है, वो मेरे पीछे चप्पल लेके भागे थे. और मम्मी का यही आर्ग्यूमेंट था, ये कीड़ा डाला किसने था?
I know. Manifest तो आपने ही किया है.
Yeah. So my mom really fought for me. My mom, my masis, my chachis, they all really fought for me. And then eventually, yeah, without everybody's support, obviously, I can't leave my home and come here. So then everybody came on the same page. And yeah, in no time, they were really proud of what I'm doing.
Yeah.
And luckily, because मुझे काम भी मिल गया. So yeah, they are the proudest today.
I think there's this one incident which is very close to my heart when first time me and my father we shared a drink
Oh.
together. उससे पहले हमारी कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा बॉन्डिंग नहीं था.
How old were you when that happened?
Quite. I mean, I was in 30.
Oh.
Yeah, early 30.
That later.
Yeah. So like I said, it was formal. It took some time to, you know, to reach that stage.
I have 3 father figures at home. In fact, 4. My grandfather as well. So I have 2 chachus, father, grandfather. So I've grown up with 4 mothers and 4 fathers in my house. So मेरे लिए वैसा distinction नहीं है because I got support from one father, maybe not from the other one. तो वो अपने बापों के आपस में लड़ाई चल रही थी. क्यों भेज रहे हो तुम, बेवकूफ़ हो, नहीं बच्चा जाएगा, मैं सपोर्ट करूँगा. And in my house, probably men are more dramatic than women.
In
Yeah.
life in general, don't you think? This he can tell
No.
Karan, are men
No.
more dramatic than women? No.
No, a strong no.
So
Validate with
used to be the
facts,
scenario.
stories, examples. Why do you say so?
I think women have much more like emotion quotient or whatever. This thing, it's the way we are now. You may call it social
women have
conditioning,
more emotional quotient,
gender
for
conditioning, whatever. But women are much more expressive.
Like any sort of hard news or bad news, first women of the house will handle it. In my house at least, they'll be like, इनको मत बोलना, इनका तो दिल कमजोर है, ये तो अभी बेहोश हो जाएंगे. Yeah, and this is for all men in my house, all men.
Yeah.
मेरे लिए भी मुझे पता है कि अगर something tomorrow, God forbid, something happens and I have to enter doctor के उसमें कि भैया क्या हो रहा है, आप टाँके लगा रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो, मैं वो देख के बेहोश हो जाऊंगा, guaranteed. So Kriti doesn't let me handle the trauma. She handles the trauma first, then she puts it across very sweetly like this. It's just, so I found a girl who's just taking the tradition forward.
And yours is also a love marriage, right? Yes. What have you realized about marriage and how long have you been married for?
Now 12 years, 12 plus
12?
years. Yeah. So we were college mates, best of friends for the longest time,
Okay.
and then love happened.
Oh, nice. Interesting.
कुलचा देना.
Pulkit is very focused. पुलकित की शादी अभी हुई है, कितने साल हुए? 2 साल.
2 साल मैं अभी तक हनीमून पे नहीं गया हूँ,
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
क्योंकि शादी हुई, शादी के 3 दिन बाद कृति राणा नायडू शूट कर रही थी इस आदमी के साथ.
ओह.
उसका राणा नायडू कंप्लीट हुआ कि चलो अब हनीमून पे चलते हैं. आई वाज विद दिस आदमी अगेन फॉर ग्लोरी.
He must sponsor आप दोनों का honeymoon.
दैट्स अ गुड आइडिया. ये तो ट्राई किया.
And in all probabilities, he'll send you all to Maldives because he already told me that's one of his favorite destinations.
But then I'll have to go with them.
Japan as well.
Yeah, would you mind some company on your honeymoon?
Yeah, why not? I think they both love me
as long as the rooms are at different corners only.
of the island.
But has life changed, Pulkit?
It's become better. It's become more beautiful. It's like, actually, Kriti says this. Finding somebody who can witness your life is what marriage is all about. It's about somebody. आपको हमेशा एक चाहिए होता है कोई इंसान ऐसा जो आपकी उपलब्धियाँ, आपकी falls, आपकी rise, आपकी whatever kind of emotions that you're going through, your celebrations, everything. You want somebody who can witness all of that together with you, and you would like to do that for somebody else as well. So I'm very happy that I found a best friend in Kriti, and I just hope she feels the same. बोलती तो है, but the life is actually better. I would say मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा कि सबको शादी करनी चाहिए, but सबको बेस्ट फ्रेंड वाला एक कंपेनियन जरूर होना चाहिए लाइफ में. और शादी के बाद भी यही होता है, आप बीवी और हस्बैंड बन जाते हैं ना, देन यू स्टार्ट प्लेइंग दोज रोल्स कि नाउ अ वाइफ हैज टू बिहेव दिस वे, अ हस्बैंड हैज टू बिहेव दिस वे.
Correct.
दैट इज वेयर आई फील पीपल falter. You should just be best friends with each other.
So what is that one mindset shift that boys need to bring in themselves before getting married?
I think most importantly to express themselves. हमको ऐसा लगता है जिस तरीके से boys are also, could be few things, could be biological or you know how we are different from each other, but it's very important to express yourself to your partner, and that gonna you know solve a lot of things in your life. And you know girls generally give better suggestions and you know come up with like much more, I think, balanced way of thinking in life.
Do you often seek your partner's advice before anything, any big
Everything,
decisions?
everything. छोटे से बड़ा, everything.
100%. I
Yeah.
think that applies to most of us.
Yeah.
How good are you all with sharing, or do you filter it कि इतना बताना है, इतना नहीं बताना है,
Open book.
or internalize a lot of?
इंटरनलाइज तो आप कर ही नहीं सकते. इंटरनलाइज आप करोगे, 5वें दिन वो पकड़ लेगी. लाइक समथिंग इज ऑफ, यू विल टॉक और शुड आई टॉक. Like ये, if she talks, it's more खतरा.
It's about how long can you keep up anything, which I think for most cases is 24 hours.
Yeah.
Because you need to little bit process yourself before you present it. I
Yeah.
think is the only
But
thing.
having said that, I mean, men maybe, most of them, not all, we don't generally have a tendency to share everything. तो वो एक बात है कि हर चीज वो नहीं होता है.
Yeah.
Like, you know, Kanksha would share each and everything with me. और वो अगर मुझसे पूछेगी शूट कैसा, तो मैं कहूँगा सही था.
बस
तो वो
उतना ही.
खत्म हो जाता है. तो भी धीरे धीरे वो चीज और पता लगने लगी है दैट यू नो वो डिटेल में जाके भी बात करना अच्छी बात है, और यू नो अच्छा लगेगा सामने वाले को भी टू करना. लेकिन दैट आई हैड टू लर्न. मैं मतलब आई वाज नॉट अ नेचुरल एट दैट.
Most guys are not.
All of you all have been in the industry for about 10 years now, more than that. And of course, we've seen different formats of cinema that's happening. We've got OTT as well. I want to know, in your own craft, how important do you think it is to keep evolving yourself?
Yeah, everything is evolving all the time, especially with streaming, and you know, it's really to do with how audiences' behaviors are changing almost, you know, really fast, and just the, you know, right now we call it the attention economy. Like, how can we get their attention and how can we hold it? And when you're trying to tell a story over multiple episodes, 7, 8 episodes, like which go on for 5 hours, 6 hours, it's always a challenge to keep them in, and you have to keep innovating. The stuff you were making 10 years ago, I don't know if it will hold today, in today's day and age.
Yeah.
So
What about acting? Has that evolved in any way for you guys from the time you all started? क्या आप अपना पुराना काम देखकर अभी सोचते हैं that I could have done better, and
I think
or are you
वो-
happy with it?
हर काम देख के मुझको तो बहुत लगता है कि
Yeah.
क्या मैं क्या कर सकता था, क्या कर रहा हूँ, ये क्यों नहीं किया मैंने, और 10,000 आइडियाज आर देयर विद ईच एंड एवरी वर्क. अपने फर्स्ट फिल्म को देख के लेकिन मैं बहुत खुश होता हूँ कभी जब उसको देखता हूँ. मुझे लगता है यार मैं काफी यंग था उस टाइम, मैंने ये सब किया, अच्छा किया. दैट्स द ओनली थिंग आई डोंट जज. बट या इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू जस्ट understand, and it's not just acting in isolation, it's the storytelling in general, how it's evolving, so we are evolving accordingly.
Well, even for us, I think we've also been evolving from the time that we started shooting. It was always on cameras. Now, as you can see, we're also shooting on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So much
nice.
shoot can happen.
ये वही AI फीचर वाला फोन है क्या?
Yes, ये
Oh,
वही phone.
nice.
Photo assist वाला. Okay, तो अभी desserts
पता
आ
नहीं
जाए.
अगर मिल जाता तो हम थोड़ा ज्यादा एक्सप्लोर कर पाते इस phone को. अभी तो बस सुन के विश्वास करना पड़ रहा है.
Kamil, what are your thoughts on relationships?
Are you the kind of person who shares a lot?
Overshares. a lot.
Overshare.
Yeah. Hard detail. And I expect the same in return. But I get only 10% of it.
वही तो
yeah,
हम बता रहे थे.
but that's also like a YouTube creator thing, no? Like in terms of sharing.
What do you think about YouTube as a platform? Do you think OTT considers YouTube as any competition or no competition at all?
I think it's the biggest competition, right?
Yeah,
Like you
it
have
is.
there more people watch YouTube than any other thing online. So
300
I think everyone just
million.
aspires to.
YouTube is
insane.
anything and everything. And more creators are also now shifting on this because it has its own advantages.
But a lot of actors are also coming on YouTube, creating their own channels.
Yeah.
Creating
Yeah.
content.
I think it's just that in the world of fiction, YouTube isn't quite maybe as strong as what you get
Yeah.
on a Netflix. Anything outside of that, YouTube is the go-to sort of destination for all of us, I would think. Yeah.
Chalo, ready with this? Here.
Okay, Pulkit, please do the honors. This is super healthy. It is sugar-free, gluten-free. It's made of almond flour. It's a torte with just fruit, and it's monk fruit instead of sugar.
Before you all eat, we're going to play a game.
Okay.
I'm going to
Okay.
ask you some questions. Never have I ever. For every time you have, you guys have to take a bite.
Always happy with taking a bite.
2 दिन तक सेम कपड़े पहने बिना नहाए.
2 दिन. Only 2 days.
अच्छा.
अरे ये पूरा
Okay,
खिला दो मुझे यार.
ऐसा क्या है? हाँ?
3 दिन. अरे फिर भी खाएंगे हम.
अरे 4 दिन.
अरे फिर भी खाएंगे हम.
नहीं.
Come on man.
Really?
3 महीने नहीं, 2 is my limit.
Do yeah, for
Yeah.
sure.
You
दो तो आराम
सबूत
से.
के तौर पे कृति को कॉल करके पूछ सकते हो. Guaranteed.
क्यों कितने दिन तक?
मतलब मैं ऐसा प्राउड होके नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. But yeah.
लग तो ऐसा ही रहा है.
I know.
4 days.
4 days.
Yeah.
So he's the messy one. अभी वो प्रूव हो गया.
हो गया. और लॉन्ड्री वाला भी.
पर आपने क्यों खाया?
क्या?
जब आपने
2 days.
2
On
days,
2 days.
2 days की
Yeah,
लिमिट पे
yeah.
खा लिया.
मैं 2 days के लिए मैं भी खाता हूँ.
अच्छा. Okay, never have I ever been caught lying by my wife.
ये तो मतलब ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता ना हो भाई.
Every day.
मतलब हो ही नहीं सकता.
अच्छा.
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
खा लो
Smallest of
फिर.
things.
चलो, let's have
100%.
it.
100%.
On the smallest of things.
अपने लिए ही नहीं, सब लोगों के लिए खाने में.
पर मैं ये क्लियर करना चाहता हूँ, इसमें एथिकली गलत होने की बात नहीं हो रही है
हाँ.
कि एथिकली कुछ हम झूठ बोल रहे थे तो
हाँ.
पकड़े गए. वो भी पकड़े जाएंगे 100% अगर करेंगे तो.
I didn't leave the gas on. Like,
Never have I ever rehearsed an argument in my head before actually getting into an argument.
I have.
No, I run the scenario through my head so that I don't say anything stupid, because I used to earlier be very impulsive and then I used to say things that I can't take back. It's always better तोड़ मोल के बोल, simple.
Yeah.
या मत बोल, simple.
Yeah.
It's
I
just
think ये तो
simple.
सबने किया है और ये करना भी चाहिए.
Yeah.
करना
It's a
चाहिए.
it's a good thing to just see, so you don't do something like you said impulsively or to hurt the other person. And that other person could be anyone, not just
Yes.
personal, professional,
Anyone.
anywhere.
anyone though, of course, I to write stuff down and then.
So never have I ever had a crush on someone after being married.
Too little time for you.
But a lot of time for you.
मेरा तो बचपन से
like
है जो
crush?
कि अभी तक चल
But
रहा है.
wife भी यही है, बता रही हूँ बस.
But like I can name them also, like
Oh, हाँ, please name.
Zoe Deschanel.
ऐसा unapproachable names नहीं. अच्छा, okay.
Approachable for you guys, huh? Not for him. I'm probably not eligible for this answer.
Next time you're on Curly Days.
Never have I ever sent a message and then immediately deleted it, hoping that it wasn't read.
This happened with me when you couldn't delete the message.
Oh.
और ये situation भी नहीं बता सकता मैं.
तो
Wow.
तू
my God.
दौड़ के गया वहाँ पे delete.
नहीं, luckily it was like we are having a conversation and I गलती से sent a message to him that I was supposed to send to you
About him.
About him.
Yeah,
Wow.
correct. That happens a lot.
Yeah.
That has also
So
happened.
वो
Oh
तो
my god.
उस टाइम पे मैं delete भी नहीं कर पाता था because delete कैसे करोगे?
So I'll tell you how I fixed that problem.
हाँ,
Yes.
मेरे पास भी है. You go first.
Just never write bad things about anyone ever.
अच्छा.
I'm telling you, best way to do
और
it.
अगर ये हो भी जाए तो उस इंसान को यही बोलो, उसने जैसे ही पढ़ा क्या हुआ, फंस गया ना, that it was a trick.
Yeah, you don't know the message.
अच्छा, तू बहुत
There
आगे
must be
निकल
some
गया.
messages that you can't pull that off.
काफी चीजें निकल जाती हैं.
अगर वो मैसेज पढ़ लिया होता.
फिर क्या किया? पढ़ ही लिया होगा ना, भेज दिया, डिलीट नहीं कर पाए तो.
नहीं, मैं सामने एकदम उसी टाइम मैंने फोन लेके डिलीट किया. I don't even remember how I managed to do it. But there was no other option. अगर उस दिन के बाद मुझे बैन भी कर दिया जाता लाइफ से कि भैया इससे तो बात ही नहीं करनी, ये फोन ऐसे छीन रहा है, चलता मेरे को. चलेगा, बट वो मैसेज नहीं पढ़ सकते, वो वाला तो इम्पॉसिबल ब्रो।
That graphic.
It was.
I want to know this.
Never have I ever hidden a purchase from my partner.
Every time.
Oh, नहीं मैंने नहीं किया.
मैंने भी नहीं किया. तू किस चीज के बारे में करता है?
Every time, whatever I purchase, I have like 5 guitars, जिसमें से 3 कृति ने मुझे गिफ्ट करे हैं, which she doesn't know that she has gifted me. And she just entered home and it was gift wrapped and kept and I'm like, oh, what?
कितनी प्यारी है.
So I always hide purchases from her.
Now
इससे
she
ये भी
knows.
पता चलता है कि कृति कितनी अच्छी लड़की है कि ये सब मान रही है.
I know.
क्योंकि
ये
इसे
सोच
लग रहा है कि मैं
हाँ.
बहुत चालाकी से घुमा रहा
ये
हूँ.
सोच रहा है कि हाँ.
आई थिंक उसने कहा कि अब तो हो गई यार शादी. अब ये ना ये रीडू करने जैसे क्या है, जैसे सैमसंग गैलेक्सी पे आप वो चीजें काफी करेक्ट कर सकते हो.
हाँ जी.
यू कैन रिमूव सर्टेन थिंग्स एआई के मदद से. अब रियल लाइफ में तो वो हो नहीं सकता. तो उसने कहा कि अब ठीक है मान लेते हैं.
Divyendu, Samsung is going to sign you as the next brand ambassador.
Okay. It's a yes.
Okay, never have I ever pretended to like a girl's hobby just to patao her.
Once probably, पूरी रात बैठ के मैंने अंताक्षरी खेली थी भाई.
That was the hobby.
Yeah, because every time I met her, she would only sing songs and play games which involved songs. I was waiting.
कहाँ है ये लड़कियाँ? तो जब मतलब जागरण के बाहर जो मिलते हैं वो है क्या ये? है कॉलोनी में.
Bro, it was insane.
मुझे वो दिख गया. एक्सक्यूज मी सिस्टर. हाँ भाई ये किया नहीं है बट केक खा रहे हैं बहुत देर हो गई है क्योंकि.
अच्छा, सबसे सिली चीज क्या की है लड़की को पटाने के लिए? स्कूल में, कॉलेज में, कभी भी?
I mean, it's not silly, but as a writer, all I used to do was write nice
Wow,
things.
that is not silly, man.
No, I know, but
That's the
No, but the writing could be silly.
the writing was intentionally silly and crafted in a silly manner that was just.
ये यार ये फुल इंसेप्शन है. ये नीचे जा जा के यू नो वो सिली करेगी फिर मुझे क्यूट समझेगी.
हाँ, वो थोड़ा you test waters and then you start getting
So
intense.
he's playing with human psychology.
That's why I love him. That's why I did the Glory again
Glory,
after Mirzapur. वरना वो ट्रॉमा गया नहीं था मेरे लाइफ से.
But really looking forward to Glory. The trailer looks
you.
amazing and I'm sure it's being loved by everybody on Netflix. कितने episodes हैं?
7 episodes.
अच्छा, और कैसा है जैसे मिर्जापुर ने हमें glued रखा था rather to the screen? Is that how it is?
100%. Also, it'll grill you.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, it'll 100%. I'm sure these guys have done a fabulous job, as have all the other actors, and it's been a phenomenal time putting this together. It's my favorite thing that I have made, and I can't wait for the audience to see it.
हरियाणवी सीख ली काफी आप लोग ने.
जी.
आती है?
मतलब ठीक ठाक सीखी हमने इतना कि हम मतलब रिस्पेक्ट कर सकें हरियाणा रीजन को, लेकिन ज्यादा भी नहीं कि मतलब बाकी के लोगों को समझने में दिक्कत ना हो.
तो कुछ बोल देंगे कर्ली टेल्स के लिए इन हरियाणवी बिफोर वी रैप?
अरे भाइयों सुनो, तुम देख रहे हो करली टेल्स. हाँ, यो लड़की ने तुम जानो, ये है काम्या जानी. हाँ, यो करे है बहुत बढ़िया खाने पीने की बातें, तुम्हारी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है उस सब चीजों की बातें.
हमारे भाई की बात मानो, बहुत कसूटी बातें कर रहे हैं भाई.
Thank you so much, guys. I love the
you.
food.
Thank you.
Thank you for taking so much effort to you, your wives, your chefs, जिन्होंने भी ये बनाया है. It's been amazing.
Thank you so much.
मैं कुछ पार्सल करके लेके जा सकती हूँ.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल लेके जा सकते हो.
Yes.
अगर हम प्रमोशंस के बीच में नहीं होते ना तो हम ऐसे तकलीफ नहीं देते अपने घर वालों को बनाने के लिए, हम खुद बनाते हैं सारा.
Oh, we'll save something
That's
for
the
the
only
next time.
that's the
no?
only reason ये ऐसे जेंडर टाइप की चीज लग रही है कि औरतों ने खाना बनाया और मर्द बैठ के खा रहे हैं.
I know. So next
औरत
time.
भी खा रही है मतलब. सो
हाँ.
वी आर पॉलिटिकली करेक्ट.
Correct. Yes.